ATS is spread operators. So we'll look more into the spread operators in ES6 more. So let's have a critical example with a function of add numbers in real life. So add numbers. Okay, then here we'll be having our argument to be A, B, and then C here. Then we'll return a sum of those arguments. So let's return the sum of that: A plus B plus C, ABC. Okay, then let me end that. Now let's pass a variable with those numbers. So let's use the let numbers, and then we have let's pass in numbers like 12, and then we have 8. Okay, and now let's use ES6 spread operator to perform this calculation using the variable numbers, and these variable numbers will be assigned to A, 12, B, and 8, and C, 8 to C. So to use the ES6 spread operator, here, and so we do document, right, and then we have add numbers, and then we've called the function name add numbers. Then we'll do the spread operator and call the variable numbers, and that is all we get to do in ES6, and that is pretty cool. Then it gives us what? There are 25 on the screen, and very, very cool. So what if we want to practice ES6 insert array element into another array element? So let's say insert array element into another array element. Okay, and then after we insert, we're gonna use the spread operator to do that. So spread operator, yes. Okay, so let's use a real life example to demonstrate this. So let's say we have pets equal to cats, then we have dogs, then we have parrots. Okay, and the next one, let's have another variable. Let's call this bags. Okay, then bags is equal to ant here, and then we have, let's say we have B here, okay. So we have these two variables. Now let us create an array by inserting elements from the other array. Okay, so here we'll have another variable, and then we'll call that variable animals, since both arrays up there as animals, and we'll insert more into it. So we'll first call the pets array, and then give it a comma. So this has called the entire list here inside this new array list. And then we can add extra ones. For example, we can add tiger, and then we can add wolf, and then we'll add zebra here, and then we can add the next array, which is bags, in here. Interesting. Okay, so now we can call this and then we'll have animals having two. It's gonna have two arrays inside a third array. So pets here, and then bags at the end. Let's display this on the screen. So we have pets values coming here, the third one, which is tiger, wolf, zebra here, and then we have the bags also displaying. So this is a really cool way of, you know, inserting array into array using the ES6 spread operator. Yeah, so now let's